Hello. Hi, I'm going to show you today how to integrate between Facebook and your WordPress blog. So this helps you to create any, if you creating any kind of posts or web pages in your blog, it will be automatically linked to your Facebook account. So there is a kind of propagation involved in your website. This helps you a lot. So the Facebook integration is much easier. So let's go to the facebook.com pages. Keep it in mind that we are going to www.facebook.com/pages. So the pages is the account where you have to log it in. This is more specific. So I have an account. I'm going to log into the Facebook pages account. So let me do that. Contact at my website name is healthyrecipejuices.com. This is just a minor website. I just want to create it so for the training purposes. Now I'm going to log in. So keep this pages account of Facebook opened, and we have to do some additional authentication to link between your blog and your website. So keep this open, and I'm going to log into another page called networkedblogs.com. So let's go to there. Let me just type it for you a little bit more bigger. It is www.networkedblogs.com. You need to do some authentication. This networkedblogs.com is directly linked with Facebook, so any kind of actually it creates an application which links with your WordPress, in fact. So there is a kind of a little bit procedures where to follow and to authenticate that you are the author of your blog. So there is a small routine of checks. It automatically creates and confirms back. So let's get logged into networkedblogs.com. Now you can use your own Facebook account to get it logged into the networkedblogs.com. Sometimes, in some cases, when you're logged in, it asks you to allow. So you can do that as well. So the first thing you have to do, register a page, and you have to give the website, and you can see the list of the website in the first block. You have to register that, and you have to give your website name. Then you have to have a small description of your name first, and you have tags which completely related to your website. So I have a juice recipe website which I'm going to give with some kind of relation between juices and fruits, vegetables, software, etc., etc. So in this case, if you have the website in relation with something else, so you have to get some information which has to be related with your website and the information what you're going to give in your website. So let's continue. Now we have a tagline. We have now the RSS feed. So in WordPress, you have a RSS feed which is generated automatically in WordPress. Whenever you are in the admin area, in each post, whatever post you create, I mean, WordPress has its own RSS feed link, which is generated. So I will just type it for you. It's your website name.com/feed equal to RSS2. So just keep a note of that. And this is the general format actually. This is your RSS feed. So that's my website name. So if your website is there, so whatever your website name .com, .net or whatever /feed equal RSS2. So this has to be given into the RSS feed. So this is where networkedblogs.com pulls your blog information to the Facebook. So this is a crucial part. Now, next is again more information on in relation with your website. It's quite simple. You know how to do that because yeah, you know very well about your website. So you can just scribble whatever you want, which is very common terms with your website descriptions. So let's do that, and your email, and just go ahead. That's it. Now it will ask for an confirmation that whether you are the author. In this case, yes, we are the author. So just go ahead and click on yes. Now the next procedure will be network browse needs an authentication. This is where we are talking about earlier. So authentication means there should be a test link or something has to be given to your website, so network browse can pull it out and authenticate and confirm back to you. So this is what we are going to do now. Now it will gives you two options. It gives you two options, like either you can use a widget. So I prefer widget, which you can see here. I'm going to choose the widget which is given by the network blocks to authenticate. So we are going to choose the widget. It will display the code where we need to paste the code. So now it will give you the widget. Let's choose the widget first. Let's choose the widget. Okay, so we have chosen the widget. We have two options, option 1 and option 2. Now let's choose option 2, which is more flexible, I believe, and this is just for testing purpose. Now once it is done, we will be removing back from your blog. So let's copy it. Now we are going back to your blog WP admin page, WordPress admin page. Now this is my website admin page, my WordPress admin page. I'm going to the widget area to paste that code which is given by network blocks so that it authenticates automatically. Now just click on widgets. So wherever you like, you can paste that code. Either I'm going to choose my footer area where I can paste as a text. So open up your footer area. Let me choose my footer area, this one, and just pull the text widget into your footer area, and all you have to do is paste that code. No need of any title, because it's just for the authentication purpose, and it's completely optional. Either you can, if you want to keep it, you can keep it. Now I'm pasting it and I'm going to save it. Now if I go back to my web page where this is created, I can see that widget displayed on my web page. So let's look into that. Let me open a tab. I'm going to open a tab, and now I'm going to type in my web address. Let's see what happens. Now in the same way, you can just check it in your blog website address, and you can, this is my website, and I'm scrolling down to view the code of that widget I placed. Here we go. You can see that. Here we go. So that's good. So the connection, I am authorized. Now we can go back to the networkblocks.com to, now it will ask you for verification. Now we will just see what happens. So it's cleared its job and it has been verified, so that's good. Now our job is almost complete. Now we will go back to our WordPress admin area where we have pasted that code. Either you can keep it or remove it. I prefer to remove it because we have got nothing to do there. It is just for verification purpose. So I'm going to remove that. As I said again, it's completely optional. Okay, now removed. Now I'm going back to networkbox.com. Now, do you remember we have opened our Facebook account? Now, let's go for the test now for the syndication. Now, this is the last procedure where we have to syndicate our blog. So now it will automatically list your blog name on your. You have to choose the blog to syndicate. So there it goes. It's listed where I have given my blog name is Recipe Software. So that name appears on your syndication blog list. So we are going to choose it. So it's already pulled my first link related to my website, as you can see. Now it will ask you for the connection target. So now I'm going to choose my pages account. I'm clicking OK. Connect my to the network blocks. That's all you have to do. Now you can see. Now we will put a test to clarify or confirm by ourselves that this has been cleared or linked or connected with the Facebook. So just click on that and go to your target where you can just see on your wall. Just click on the wall. There is it. So now this process is complete. Now your WordPress and your Facebook has been linked together. It is being connected. So that's wonderful. So I hope that and I believe that you completely understood the procedure. I mean, it's quite easy and straightforward. Thank you.